Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 41, we are going to learn how to create modules and sub-modules in Rust programming language. This is the most important video in Rust programming series. So far I have created 40 videos in this playlist. In all the videos, I created new project, but you know that if we build a large project, then we need to create modules and so many libraries we have to import. We need to create over libraries also, and then we have to combine together in a main file. So without learning modules in Rust programming language, you can't build large project. That's why this video is most important video. After this video, I will also use the same project for my future videos also. So you see that in this video we are going to learn how to create multiple source file and how to create modules by using mod keyword, and how to use mod.rs and lib.rs file to create sub modules. So let us start this video. Now open VS Code. So this is a VS Code, and you see that my all past videos I have recorded in my separate projects. You see, all having a separate projects. So because so far I have not explained you how to create the modules and submodules, but from this video I am going to fix my project name, and all my future videos I will create in the same project that I am going to create today. So I say here cargo new, and I say class number 41, then I say to all. This is a project name, so all will be available here. So I say cd to this project name, then go to this file name, remember that. Now first of all we should learn how to create a local package or module in Rust programming language. For creating a local package or module, I say mod keyword, and here I give the name, I say cal, simple calculator I want to create. So this is local one. Here I create a function, I say sum, and here I say num1 of i32, num2 of i32, and I say println like this, and I say sum or I say addition equal to, and here I pass num1 plus num2, simple one. And this function I want to call here. So for calling this I say cal then sum, remember that, and I need to pass the value, so I say this one for value. So it's okay, but generating an error that it should not be private. By default all the function in Rust are private, so I say pub. So this is public. Now it is accessible to main function also. I declare it public. Now I can access this here in main function also. So I say cargo run. You see that no problem, addition 90. So this is a local module. So you can create your local module like this in Rust programming language. Now question rise, can we do it in separate file? Yeah, you can create this same in separate file. Suppose I create in src folder, I say here calculator.rs, for example. This is the module this I am going to create. Here this is the function creating here, same function I am creating here. I say fn sum, or I say add num1 of, suppose I say i32, num2 of i32, simple one. I say println, and here I return addition equal to, remember that, same code but in different file. So like this, very simple. And declare this function also public because we have to use it in a public way. Remember, done this, file is created, calculator. Now this add function I need to call here. For that what I do, I say that I have a mode of calculator. Remember that this calculator mode I have created here. Now try to use it. So I say calculator, then I say here add, then I pass the value in it, and you will see that this one, and again I say cargo run, and you see that same result we have. That means if we have a local module, no problem at all, we can create like this. If we have a module in separate file like this, then we create the function like this and declare this function public because we want to access it outside. And remember that we need to use like this, and then we can call it like this one. But suppose If I want to create a separate folder for all my module, then scenario is different. For example, under this src, suppose I create a folder modules. This is my modules. So I say modules folder, and under this module folder I create a file. I say I create a module. Suppose I create module here multiply.rs. This I want to use. So same, I create pub function, then create a function mul, and here I say num i32 num2 of i32. Remember that. Now I want to make multiplication, so I say print ln, and here I say multiply equal to nothing special, same code, just I am doing multiply this time here. Remember that. Now this is a separate folder. If I import it here, you see, suppose I say mod and I say modules folder, under that I say multiply like this, you see. So it is not accessible, you see, it not accessible because it not visible to this file. Remember that. So this file is not accessible. Now what to do? In this directory I need to create one file. Remember that, mod.rs. This file is compulsory. Under that I declare pub mod and I say here multiply like this. I have to declare in this file. Remember that this is multiply, and this I have declared here pub mod this. Now I need to create one file in source directory that is called lib.rs. So I say lib.rs. So under this lib file I have to write pub mod modules. Remember that. So this module directory I have to specify here that I am having a separate directory for my modules like this. In mod.rs I specify that I have a module called multiply, this linking here. Now go to main, and here I need to import this module like this. Remember, because in library file I have this module, so I import this here and I have to use it like this. I say module, then I use multiply. Remember that. So this multiply I am using here. Okay, you see that, because this is available here, and in that directory we have a module path, this directory name. In mod we have a file name. That's why in this first we import this module, then we use this. Now I can use it. So I say multiply, and the function in this is multiply. So here it's simple one. I pass the value, no problem at all. This one, and now I execute it. I say cargo run. Simple one. You see multiply is also here. Remember that. It's so simple. But remember that this type of video is not available on YouTube. This is my own searching to tell you that how to do this. We have certain file lib.rs, mod.rs. Remember that, and we have this separate in my module file. So everything is done here. Now in future videos my all file would be available in this directory, and I can access those in this file directly. So like this I can build a large project. So same, we can pass this calculator also in this module. Remember that we can pass this also to this directory calculator. Right now I am not using it, so no problem at all. I remove this. But if you want to use, just import here, use module calculator also, and suppose this is the library file, no problem. But if you want to use this calculator also, so you have to import it here, mod, and you have to say calculator. Remember that all the files which available here in this directory, you have to specify as a module here. Then you can use it like this. You see module, then you see calculator like this. Now no problem at all. You can use calculator right now. Same, if I run, no error. And similarly you will execute all the functions, because this file we have moved to this directory, and from this directory we are accessing these modules. Remember that. So this much we have in this video. So all the topics we have covered: how to create multiple source file that we have learned, how to use mod keyword to create the private or public modules that we have learned, and how to use mod.rs and lib.rs to create a sub modules that we have also checked here in this example. Simple, but all concept is cleared by this video. Now in my future videos I will use same package and I will create the modules and I will use in this file. Simple one. If you like this video, If you learned something new, something special, something useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.